Hi guys, and welcome back to Miss Lou's Virtual Kitchen. Today we're making some zucchini slice. So as per usual, making sure that you pause this slide so you can collect your utensils and your ingredients. You want to make sure that you're also going to prepare some of the ingredients as well. So grate your carrot and zucchini and dice up your onions. Making sure we're going to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And into a separate cup with your mixing bowl, you're going to crack 3 individual eggs. The reason why we're going to crack them into the cup first is so that in case you get any shells like just before, you can remove them before you start mixing. Now whisk them away nice and well, just using a fork. It's super easy. This is all about using as minimum amount of utensils that you possibly can. As you can see in the bowls above there, I've got my grated carrot, zucchini and my diced spring onions. Add that into your egg mix and mix well. So just combine them all together. Once you have finished doing that, you're going to add in your diced bacon and your grated cheese. Mix that in again. And then add in 2 tablespoons of oil, just vegetable oil will do. That's just to combine everything together. And then sift in your flour. This is going to help you remove any lumps that you can see there. Press them out if you need to. And then you're going to season with some salt and pepper and mix well. Once you've mixed that well and truly, ensure that you've got a baking tray or a slice tray lined ready to go. You want to make sure that they're covering the edges as well. Add in your mixture and then using a rubber spatula, scrape down the sides of your bowls because that too is also enough mixture that you can add into your dish. And using the back side of your spatula, press it down so it's nice and flat and it cooks evenly. Once you've done that, you're ready to pop that into the oven. Be sure with your safety as well, you're going to make sure you place it in carefully. 20 minutes on the clock. After 20 minutes, safety first, using your oven mitts, take them out and place them on a hot mat. Once it's cooled down enough, cut it into your desired slices. Here we have it cut into 4 sections. It's a generous serving size, so you're welcome to limit that down and cut it smaller if you wish. And all you've got is a perfectly cooked zucchini slice. Bon appetit!